Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to draw center line, easy method. Fold the paper in half and press a light crease to register the exact center, then open it and mark the midpoint lightly with a pencil. Align a ruler with the marks, hold it firmly, and draw a smooth, confident line with even pressure. Practice on scrap paper to build consistency and confidence before working on final pieces. Set up your workspace with a sharp pencil, a firm ruler, and good lighting to make each center line precise and repeatable. If your paper moves, secure one edge with low adhesion tape so it won't tear when removed. Keep a scrap sheet for testing pencil darkness and ruler alignment. A steady posture and relaxed grip will help you draw straighter lines and reduce hand fatigue during longer projects. For larger formats, use a T-square or straight edge to maintain perpendicular accuracy, and for thick stock, lightly score the center line with a hobby knife before inking to avoid ink bleed. Test alignment by folding the sheet or overlaying halves to confirm symmetry. When refining, erase stray marks gently and reinforce the final center line with a single smooth stroke for a professional, clean look that holds up under scanning or framing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.